up, back up, back up. Hey, come to me. Come to me.
He can't.
All right, back up, back up, back up. Back up. Back up. We got civilians over here screaming for help. I can see them. Just stay there. I repeat, there's civilians screaming for help, guys. What can we do to help? Yeah. Come on. Come on.
Go ahead.
All right. Come on. Cross the street for me. Cross the street. I know. Cross the street for me. There might be a secondary. Cross the street. Be advised, there's people trapped. I know. I hear them. I got it. Hey, we got people trapped in the basement as well, they're telling me.
You hold this ladder.
Yeah, go.
Get down there.
Go. Go, I got it. You're not going nowhere. I got it. I'm telling you, go. All right, go. I got it. Go. I got it. I'm telling you. Go. I'm holding it. Go.
What do you need, Jeff?
Hey, you want me to come down and help? Come on, I got it. Come on. She doesn't know. We don't know. She doesn't know. She don't know. She don't know, sorry. Her leg's shattered, sorry. She's not there. She's not there. Right there. She's screaming for help. Sorry. I'll hold the ladder.
Can you give me that? Can you need my helmet? It's behind me somewhere.
What do you need? The setup?
You got it. Go ahead. Go down there and get us another.
What do you need?
Another ladder.
Another ladder. We need a ladder. Another ladder. Another ladder. Yes.
You don't see anybody? Hey. You want an axe?
We got an axe right here.
It's a tick. It's a thermal imaging camera. Nice shot. Get it. You want to pull it? You want to pull? All right.
I'll drop it. I'm dropping your axe. You need more bodies down there. You need help. We got more people. Maybe on the other side, guys? Down on the other side. Can you take one of the ladders to that side? Yeah. That's where they're going to try to fit through. I think we need to get to the other side. Yes. All right. What do we need? Yeah. Pull this ladder. Skip. That guy that was there said there's people trapped down there on that side. That guy that just walked out. We got another, you guys, you got another ladder being set up over there right now. You got one, you got one. You got one there. Alright. We don't have any on that truck. Go out the other truck, go ask the guy. Ladder 24, Abby. Here, get the ladder. There's nothing here, man. I'm just moving it so the ladder's a little more secure. All right, you're good, you're good. Here. There. There, that's secure, that's better. Gas leak. We got a gas leak, guys. We don't know yet. You back up for me, please.
I'm a police too.
Okay.
Right.
Gas! You got a gas leak! Right there, gas leak!
Don't go anywhere else. Back up. We're going back this way.
They got a gas leak up front, guys. Just heads up. Gas is leaking.